Welcome. Today, we're taking a close look at the digital transformation happening in rolling stock damage management. This is a critical process that has, for a long time, been held back by inefficiency and a lack of clarity.
So let's start with a fundamental question for any operator. Just how efficient is your current process for reporting damage and allocating costs? Any delays or disputes here can create significant financial ripple effects. In this explainer, we're going to cover the core challenge, introduce a digital solution that addresses it, and then break down exactly how it works. We'll also look at the key benefits, the framework for accountability it creates, and what this all means for the future of fleet management. All right, first, let's really define the problem we're trying to solve. Traditional damage management is often a manual, disjointed process, and that leads directly to operational friction and inefficiency all across the network. This inefficiency really boils down to a few key things: time-consuming manual tracking, a lack of real-time visibility between teams, and inconsistent documentation. The outcome is an incredibly complex and frankly often contentious process for figuring out who pays for what. The solution to these hurdles is a centralized digital platform. It's been specifically engineered to bring clarity, control, and a single source of truth to the entire damage management lifecycle. So what is it? It's a cloud-based application, which means it can be accessed anywhere, anytime, by the right people. Its entire purpose is to manage, track, and correctly assign costs for all types of vehicle damage, from operational incidents all the way to vandalism.
So, how does the system actually function? Well, it operates on a very clear, data-driven workflow that's built for both simplicity and accuracy.
The process itself is really straightforward and completely auditable. First, users visually map the exact location of damage on detailed vehicle layouts. Then, they create a full report categorizing the damage with specific codes and uploading photos as evidence. From there, repair costs are automatically sent for approval, and everyone involved can track the status in real time from start to finish. Now, one of the key analytical features here is the use of visual heat maps. By pulling together damage data over time, the system can actually pinpoint recurring problem areas on specific vehicles or routes. This is huge because it lets you shift from being purely reactive to using targeted, proactive prevention strategies. And this data-driven workflow translates directly into some major operational benefits. We're talking about improvements in efficiency and control over your assets and your finances. The results are really tangible. You get faster repair cycles, accurate and transparent cost tracking, and comprehensive audit-ready documentation for every single incident. But most importantly, it allows for trend analysis that helps you build data-driven prevention strategies, which ultimately reduces future incidents and costs. Beyond just the operational side, the platform creates a clear and enforceable framework for accountability. It uses technology to make sure that the policies you've agreed on are actually followed consistently. And how does it do that? It brings all the stakeholders, from the vehicle owners and operators to the maintainers, together onto a single shared platform. This creates one unified source of truth that's accessible to everyone in real time. It completely eliminates those information silos. This integration also simplifies one of the most difficult areas, allocating costs. By using a predefined matrix that's based on your established business rules, the system just gets rid of the guesswork. It makes sure costs for things like vandalism or operational errors are assigned fairly, quickly, and transparently. Ultimately, what this technology really points to is the future of fleet management itself, a predictive, transparent, and data-centric way of maximizing the availability and value of your assets. So, the end result is a fundamental shift in strategy. It's about moving away from just reacting to repairs and moving towards proactive, data-driven prevention and continuous performance monitoring. This evolution in both technology and process really leaves one final question for every operator out there to consider. Is your fleet ready for the efficiency, accountability, and foresight that comes with data-driven maintenance?